Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. My name is Alam and in this video I am going to show you how to change WhatsApp number without losing any data. If you want to change your WhatsApp number but don't want to lose any of your chats, photos and videos, you can easily do that. All your WhatsApp data will be transferred to the new number and nothing will be deleted. So if you want to know how to do it, make sure you watch this whole video, and if you are new on my channel, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. So the very first thing you have to do is you have to open Play Store in your phone, then you have to update your WhatsApp. Once you have updated your WhatsApp, then open it, then you have to click on these three dots, then go to settings, then go to chats, and on this page you will find one option called chat backup. Click on it and this interface will open. First of all, you have to take your WhatsApp chat backup just for safety purpose, and then you have to change your WhatsApp number. To take your WhatsApp chat backup, first you have to click on this Google account and then you have to select one of your Gmail ID. Once you have selected your Gmail ID, then you have to enable these both settings, include videos, backup using cellular. Once you have enabled these both settings, then simply you have to click on this backup button and backup process will start. It will take some time, so you have to wait. Depends on your backup size. My backup size is 122 MB. Your backup size can be 1 GB, 1.5 GB or 2 GB. So accordingly it will take time. You have to wait. Once backup process is complete, your chat backup will be saved on your Google Drive with Gmail ID you have selected here. So let me show you. I will open Google Drive in my phone. When you open Google Drive in your phone, first of all you have to select your Gmail ID. Then you have to click on this three minus. Then click on backups. And here you can find your WhatsApp chat backup. As you can see, WhatsApp last backup 6:37 PM and right now it's 6:39 PM. So this is how you can take WhatsApp chat backup. Now you have to open your WhatsApp, then click on these three dots, then go to settings, and this time you have to click on account and then click on change number, then click on next, and this interface will open. In first box you have to type your old WhatsApp number and in second box you have to type your new number. But remember one thing, you will receive one OTP on your new number, so you should have that number. If you have inserted that SIM in same phone, then it will automatically detect that OTP. But if you have in another phone, then you have to type manually. So let me type both number, old WhatsApp number and new number. Once you have typed old WhatsApp number in first box and new number in second box, then simply you have to click on next and then click on done, and then you will receive one OTP on your new number. If you have inserted that SIM in same phone, then that OTP it will automatically detect. If you have in another phone, then you have to type manually. As you can see, it has detected automatically, right? That's it. And after that, you will receive this pop-up message where you can see your old WhatsApp number and new number. And that's it. WhatsApp number is changed and you can see no chats, photos and videos has been deleted. So this is how you can change WhatsApp number without losing any data. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.